Hello everyone. This is Xeweta. Mm, Today I just want to teach you something, and thank you for watching. Um, I want to teach you Xitsonga. Ne? I'm doing Xitsonga. Ne? So if you are from South Africa today, you will know how to greet in Xitsonga, and you will also know how to say thank you, ne? Because Xitsonga people are polite. So let's start. Let's not waste time. So the business of the day, Xitsonga lessons, ne? So in Xitsonga, it's dyondzo ya siku, ne? Dyondzo. So meaning lessons or education is dyondzo, right? Dyondzo. Then of the day, ya siku. Siku just means a day, ne? So okay guys, let's continue, ne? As I said, today I just want to teach you how to greet, ne? Then the next video I'll teach you something else. So guys, to greet in Tsonga, ne? If you want to say to greet, or xeweta, ne? Xeweta. This thing is disturbing me, Corona guys. Xeweta, right? Xeweta is to greet in Tsonga. Okay? So just like any other language, ne? Tsonga have good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So to say good morning or avsheni, so avsheni means good morning. So to say good morning or avsheni, not good evening. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Then if it's in the afternoon, or inhlekani, inhlekani, which is good afternoon. If it's in the evening, probably from 6 until, you say riperini or riperile, depending on where you come from. But if you say riperini or riperini, it just means the same thing, which is good evening, right? Okay, so after saying avsheni, inhlekani or riperini, the response is the same. You say ahe, just like Papa Pen Pen. Papa Pen Pen ahe. You just say, if I say avsheni, you say ahe. Then from there, if we continue, I'll say kunjani, which means how are you, right? So if I say kunjani, you respond by saying I'm fine, in English. But in Tsonga you say ni fukile or nzi fukini, or nzikona, right? Or nzikona, right? So the meaning of that is just I'm fine, or I'm well, or I'm good, right? Nikahle. So after that you can say nakens, which means thank you, right? Thank you. I'm sorry about the spelling there, but it just means thank you, right? Thank you for watching. You can subscribe or like my video. Have a blessed day and stay safe. Sanitize, wear a mask like this, must cover your nose, and support Kaizer Chiefs. Right? Thank you.